You want to move the thing down?
Oh, yeah.
Let me just hear that.
Huh?
I want to hear us. Hello? Huh? Oh, yeah, that's good.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Cool. Hey, everyone. Is our lighting a
Why is
little
our
bright
lighting
today?
so weird today?
Is this okay?
Oh, that's better.
That's better, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're just kind of
We're like,
in the dark.
Okay. Oh, it's because we usually turn on this too. Wow, can you hear me from over here? Wow.
Okay, that looks good.
Okay, that looks better. Okay, this feels better.
Okay, yeah. I was like, am I like just extra ugly today or something?
No. Okay. Yay. We're in Just Chatting today too.
Oh, right. Nice.
Yeah.
Can you change the today's menu?
Oh shit. Yeah.
Speaking of, today we're gonna make jjajangmyeon, which is Korean black bean noodles. It's gonna be pretty easy to do. We just chop up stuff, fry it in the paste, add water, thicken it, add noodles, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Becky's an expert. Hey, Mango King. Thanks for joining.
I'm just grabbing zucchini real quick.
Okie dokie.
Just got a lot going on in our fridge.
We do have a lot going on in our fridge.
Okay. And I kind of want to make a lot today so that I have leftovers for tomorrow.
Good idea.
We usually finish all the food, so we don't usually have leftovers from these streams. Jjajangmyeon time, yeah! I'm just use one zucchini because they're quite large.
Just chatting. Okay. I got 2 onions, and then we'll get 1 zucchini. We have our pork belly. Let's get some garlic and ginger up in here.
Yeah.
Garlic, and then ginger. Okay, cool. Really easy to make. Let me reference a recipe just for good measure if we're missing any secret ingredients, but I don't think so. Recipe. Chris Gerdig, you're back. Hello.
Hi, you're back. Good, how are you? We started pretty on time today. We're in Just Chatting today.
Yeah.
See if we get any new people to join. Oops, that was a little thick. That's okay.
Do you want to put in potato?
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna quarter these zucchinis.
Just a little bit of potato.